Hi, my name is Sarah, and I wanted to walk you through my aesthetic morning routine as a mother of two. We usually wake up around 5:30 in a state of emergency because somebody is hungry or peed through their diaper. In this video, I'm spot cleaning urine with hydrogen peroxide from my first aid kit, and then I'm deodorizing with witch hazel mixed with essential oils. I'm not entirely sure if this combination of chemicals might kill me, but at this point in the morning, I don't care. So I'm actually a licensed nutritionist, so I like to make my kids an organic and whole foods breakfast. With Madeline, we're actually doing baby-led weaning, which has worked out really well because she likes to take highly pigmented and sticky berries and smash them into her head and hair. This averages out to be about $8 a carton, and she eats about 10% of them. For my 3-year-old Bryson, I like to make an organic and gluten-free quiche using my gluten-free sourdough starter discard. I add everything to the food processor because it makes everything really smooth and uniform. Then I transfer it to my buttered pie dish and I smooth it all out with my fingers. The vegetables and the meats that I use vary from week to week. This week I did organic local sausage, zucchini, kale, peppers, onions, and mushrooms. Then I mix up my organic cage-free eggs and pour it on top of the mixture. And then you put it in the oven at 425 for 20 minutes. Be really, really careful when you're pulling it out. It's going to be super hot. I like to just skip a step and then I walk over and transfer it directly to the trash because my son isn't going to eat it anyways. At this point in the morning, I've had about 2 sips of coffee, which was just enough to disrupt my cortisol level and my blood sugar to make me feel really nauseous, hungry, dehydrated, and my stomach hurts. So around 8 a.m., I like to start tidying up. I start by sweeping up the trails of dirt clods left behind by my husband's work boots because Madeline likes to try to eat them and choke on them. So around 10 a.m., I start drafting up a nasty text message to my husband, but then I quickly delete it because I remember that he works in sewage, and although we both spend our morning covered in human poop, I'm at least in my family member's poop and he's covered in stranger poop. I hope you found our aesthetic morning routine relaxing, and if you're thinking about having kids, you might want to rethink that.